चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And as we continue to get you the latest on the NEET scam, we are now cutting across to this latest feed we've got from Bihar's Patna, where students took to the streets. They're demanding action over alleged discrepancies in NEET examination. You would remember how Republic had uncovered several cases of paper leak and corruption that have now erupted from various parts of the country, including one in Patna, where a burnt question paper was found and the students admitted to how there was a paper leak. And another instance in Godhra where the students had paid up to the tune of 10 lakh rupees in order to get a center of their choice. So while such instances continue to erupt and the Education Ministry backing the NTA over what has happened, also saying that there are no malpractices as far as the conduct of the NEET examination is concerned. This claim that is completely falling flat on its face with what is happening. And here are those protests that are escalating by the day, where students are saying that we demand justice, we demand transparency and a proper system in the way NEET is conducted. Let me cut across to Riyanka, who's joining us on the broadcast as she gets us more details from the national capital. Riyanka, you've been on the ground all these days. You've been getting us voices of students. You've been covering the protests that are happening on the ground. And honestly, while we see action that is really expected in the national capital, there is furor across the country because just so many instances are now getting exposed, be it about paper leak or corruption or how money is being received purely for cheating in NEET.
That's right, not just in the national capital, but in the entire nation, students are angry, which is why we have witnessed several protests being taking place. The beat in the national capital last 2-3 days, we saw the students hitting the streets. And now, in fact, in Bihar's Patna, we have the students who have come out and they are protesting against the paper leak. On the other hand, with the NTA now saying that the grace marks will be scrapped, but there is no talks on the paper leak. In fact, we have seen Union Education Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, who has still reiterated that there has been no evidence of the paper leak. But the question still arises as to what about the reports that are coming in from Bihar and from Godhra. There is no answer on that note, which is why the students are continuing with their protest, coming out on the streets because they are angry regarding the paper leak, regarding the discrepancies and the irregularities in the conduction of the examination as well as in the declaration of the results. In fact, what we are getting to know is that in the investigation of the NEET paper leak, the Bihar's Economic Offences Unit has called in 9 students for questioning, and the Economic Offences Unit will also go ahead and question the parents of these unit as well. We have also seen that how students ended up paying lakhs of money, around 10 lakhs of money, to choose their relative centers so that it is easier for them to get into any such alleged irregularity manner, which in a way they go ahead and give their exams, which is why we know, in fact, today as well, there are petitions after petitions that have been filed in the Supreme Court in terms of looking for a CBI investigation into the entire matter of the malpractices that have been involved with the NEET undergraduate 2024 examinations and their results.
All right, Priyanka, many thanks for getting us the latest. Of course, we continue to track this story very, very closely. Republic has been leading the campaign fighting for justice for all students.